So one of the neat things with Google Analytics is its ability to allow you to segment your audience, and this is a really terrific way to keep an eye on any kind of testing or changes that you've made, seeing if those changes have had the kind of impact that you want them to have. Now for us in this case, we made some changes to the recommendation engine, and we want to figure out if that's actually impacting the consumer's choices. To do that, we can create a special segment. Now, segments are predefined by Google, but you can also create your own custom segments. And the custom segment, in this case, is one that exists, so we can edit this. And it is the recommendation engine, which is triggered on two different URLs. So what we're doing is at a page level, we're tracking the URLs on which that recommendation engine is exposed to the user. And then we can take that, create and save our segment, and then going forward you'll be able to see that we can track it and see how the results have played out. So we go down here, you save your segments with any kind of changes you've made, and you can see here right away that this segment now is tracked differently. Now you can see here on page views it's showing more. We'd expect that the conversion rates are more rather, and that's simply a basis of somebody who uses the recommendation engine is likely closer to the sale anyway, so the conversion rate should be higher there. Now where it really is impactful is on the e-commerce side. After all, that's what we're really going for, right? So if you track it against the e-commerce, again, you can see that these numbers show that there's an increase in conversions, but really what we want to do is find out is if somebody uses this, are they buying more? And here's where you can see that point where we implemented the new decisioning engine for the recommendations, and you can see that we started to see a delta between the average and those who saw the decisioning engine, and that's going up forward now. It's only been out there a couple days, but the hope is that that will continue to show a delta between the average, a positive one at that. And this is one of the ways where you can create a segment that's based on a testing section of your user audience and then track that over time going forward. So it's a great way to use segments to keep an eye on your test.